Make a great choice today with the 2016 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.